Hello crafters, welcome back to Code Crafters. In today's video, we are going to explore basic class program. So, let's get started. The given C++ program defines a class named student, which represents a student with two attributes, age, an integer, and name, a string. These attributes are declared as data members of the class. The student class defines a blueprint for representing a student with two private data members, age, an integer, and name, a string. These attributes store the student's age and name, respectively. The class includes two public member functions, set and get. The set function takes two parameters, an integer a and a string n, and assigns them to the age and name attributes of the object. The get function prints the stored values using COUD. This class demonstrates encapsulation by keeping the data members private and providing public methods to modify and access them. Inside the class, two member functions are defined. The set function takes two parameters, an integer a and a string n, and assigns them to the age and name attributes of the object. The get function prints the values of name and age using COUD. In the main function, an object S of the student class is created. The set function is called with the arguments 22 and Ali, which initializes the object's age and name attributes. The get function is then called to display the values stored in the object. The program intends to showcase the concept of encapsulation by defining and using class methods to set and retrieve data members. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.